Imagine a single vehicle that could replace your minivan, your SUV, and even your mobile home. Sounds impossible, right? Well, the 2026 Dacia Sandman is here to challenge that idea, and what it brings to the road is far more surprising than most people expected. From the very first glance, the Sandman doesn't look like a regular family van. It carries the kind of presence you'd expect from a rugged off-roader. A massive front grille dominates the face, flanked by sharp matrix LED headlights that make it look aggressive and futuristic. The body lines are clean but bold, with muscular wheel arches wrapped around oversized alloys that scream capability. Roof rails and an optional storage box only add to the adventure vibe. But as wild as it looks on the outside, the real surprise begins when you step inside. Open the doors, and the Sandman feels less like a van and more like a rolling lounge. Premium leather covers the seats, ambient lighting sets a calming mood, and the ergonomic design ensures every passenger stays comfortable even on endless road trips. Then there's the entertainment. Imagine a wide rear multimedia screen paired with a powerful audio system that can literally turn the cabin into a moving cinema. But here's where it gets clever. The Sandman can switch roles in an instant. One moment, it's a 7-seater for family adventures. The next, it's a fully functional mobile office for professionals who live life on the go. It's a rare blend of practicality and luxury, and that versatility is what sets it apart. Of course, none of this matters if the performance doesn't back it up. That's where things get interesting. The Sandman is expected to offer multiple powertrains, starting with a 1.3-liter turbo petrol engine producing between 150 and 170 horsepower. For those focused on fuel savings, a hybrid version is in the works, perfect for city driving without sacrificing range. And then comes the big one, a fully electric version with up to 400 kilometers of driving freedom on a single charge. Pair that with all-wheel drive, generous ground clearance, and advanced suspension tech, and suddenly this so-called minivan looks capable of tackling mountain roads and highways with equal confidence. But how much will all this cost? That's usually where excitement fades, yet the Sandman delivers another shock. In Europe, prices are expected to start between €28,000 and €35,000, while the hybrid and electric models could range from €38,000 to €42,000. To put that into perspective, rivals like the Volkswagen California and Toyota Alphard demand significantly higher price tags, which makes the Sandman a far more budget-friendly alternative without feeling cheap. It's a formula designed to attract families, outdoor explorers, and professionals who want flexibility without breaking the bank. And here's where speculation begins to swirl. Analysts are already suggesting the Sandman could disrupt not just the minivan market, but the camper and compact RV segment too. It offers the freedom of travel, the comfort of a home, and the technology of a modern SUV, all packed into one affordable package. If that prediction holds true, the Sandman might not just compete, it could completely change how people think about long-distance travel. So here's the real question. Is the 2026 Desa Sandman just another vehicle release, or is it the beginning of a new era where the line between car, home, and adventure machine disappears? One thing's certain, it's not your typical minivan, and its story is only just beginning.